I am back with another video. So guys, if you want to know how I installed this beautiful deep wave hair, just continue watching this video. Okay guys, let me tell you some facts about this hair. So the name of this hair is called Kiss Love, and I got this from Amazon. Yes, I used that Amazon Prime, and my hair came within 2 days. Like, the shipping was really fast. So this hair is 28 inches. It's super long. It's deep wave hair. The lace is 13 by 4. It's a 13 by 4 lace front, and it's so convenient, and the hair is so soft and it's so pretty, y'all. I love this hair. And it came with this purple bag, and it came with this. Hey y'all, this is how I lay my hair. Before we get into this install, for all my newbies who happen to click this video, or any new people who happen to watch this video and y'all think that I'm cute and gorgeous and y'all love this lace, because I'm loving this lace front, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button. So y'all, let's just get right into the video.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain. and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, babe.
Okay guys, so I'm melting my lace. When I tell you guys it was a struggle, I don't know if y'all can tell in the video, but I was actually struggling. Like, I haven't did my lace in a while, so I was determined to get it done, and I did. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna take my contour palette and my powder, and I'm gonna just basically, go around and just put it on my lace so it can just look like my real line on my scalp. You already know I bleached the knots. See, this is lifting up already. I'm like, God, this been a struggle. Like, it's not supposed to do that. I'm definitely gonna. Y'all, when I tell you, oh my God, this has been a struggle. Let me see. It's not supposed to do this. I don't know what to do. Like, put some Vaseline spray on there. Like, it's supposed to hold. Like, ain't no pussy. Some routes. But it just keep coming. I think it's perfect. Like, look at the line. I'm trying my best, y'all. I don't have to put no foundation or no powder right there because you know what? It's already bleached.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mouth flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my